Hi guys, welcome to Animation Wednesday. Before we start, please help me to make my work worth the effort. Hit like, subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. All of that will be appreciated with more exciting videos. Today just a quick one. How to make laser shots. Animation Wednesday starts now. Let's start with deleting the cube. Shift A and add cylinder. Press S, then Shift Z and scale it down. SZ and scale it a bit up. Go to edit mode. Add one loop cut in the middle. Mark the top face and scale it down. Do the same with the bottom one. Go back to object mode. So we've got our shape. Go to Materials tab and add new material. Change the shader to emission. Set the color to red and set the strength to 70. Change to render view. Lower the strength as it is too bright. Go to render settings. Enable the bloom. Set radius to 10. Threshold to 5 and clamp to 5 too. Intensity 0.023. All you need to do now is locate it in front of laser cannon. Parent it with the X-wing and keyframe it in the render. Go to Object Properties, Visibility, Frame 1, disable Show in the renders and add the keyframe. Go to the frame where you want that to appear, enable and add keyframe. If you want that to be flashing, copy and paste those keyframes a few times. If you want to see that in the viewport, do the same with the show in viewport. This is how it looks like. Thanks guys for watching, I hope you have enjoyed. As always, please support me with your likes and comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. I really appreciate your support. See you next week guys, take care!